Nutrients are the nutritious components in foods that an organism uses to survive and grow. Macronutrients provide the energy for an organism's metabolic system to work. Micronutrients provide the necessary factors for metabolism to be carried out. Both types of nutrients can be acquired from the environment. Nutrients are used to build and repair tissues, regulate body processes, and are converted to when used for energy. For nutrients intake, humans have a digestive system that works to break down macronutrients for energy and use micronutrients to carry out both metabolism and anabolism. Food provides a range of different nutrients. Some nutrients provide energy, while others are essential for growth and maintenance of the body. Minerals are needed to help the body function properly and stay strong. Calcium and iron are two important mineral sources. Calcium is needed for the growth of healthy teeth and bones, and its sources include milk, cheese, eggs, whole grain cereals, green vegetables, bread, and tofu. Iron is needed for the formation of red blood cells, and sources include red meat, green vegetables, eggs, lentils, and bread. Other minerals that the body needs include potassium, sodium, magnesium, and zinc. Minerals are compounds. If you combine them, you can form the structure of your body. Minerals also help to make sure everything in your body is working well. They participate in the energy production, the building of protein, blood formation, and several other metabolic processes. Major minerals are those that are required in the amounts of 100 milligrams or more, while trace minerals are required in amounts less than 100 milligrams per day. A deficiency of either can be harmful.
Vitamins are essential for the process of many of the functions in the body. Most of the vitamins cannot be manufactured by the body. They must be obtained from your diet. Vitamins do not produce energy. Your body needs them to work properly, so you grow and develop just like you should. When it comes to vitamins, each one has a special role to play. For example, vitamin D in milk helps your bones. Vitamin A in carrots helps your vision.
Vitamin C in oranges helps your immune system. Vitamin V in vegetables helps your body make energy and protein.
The main vitamins are vitamin A, the B complex of vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Vitamin A comes from green and yellow vegetables and dairy products. Vitamin B comes from breads, milks, and eggs. Vitamin B12 comes from meat, milk, and fish. Vitamin C comes from fruit and vegetables.
And vitamin D comes from margarine and fish.
Water is the most important nutrient. Your body is approximately 50 to 55% water. Furthermore, it is designed to use water 24 hours a day. Your body produces heat that is also another energy. The labor of water is to regulate your body temperature by dissipating the heat. Water, furthermore, carries nutrients to the cells in your body, but water does not produce energy.
Fats save and store oil for energy. The most important work of fat is energy production to our body. Total fat is the total of fats in any diet, such as saturated fat, trans fat, and unsaturated fats.
Fats and carbohydrates are the big source of energy in the body. Also, it's a concentration source of calories. They help the body to use some vitamins, keeps the skin healthy, and it provides the feeling of fullness after a meal. The most two important types of fats are saturated and unsaturated. Those are animal fats like meat, butter, and lard. These ones are usually saturated fats and contribute to heart disease and cancer. Vegetable fats like olive oil and corn oil are generally unsaturated fats and are less harmful. Some fats are helpful in preventing some cancers and heart disease. These fats are called omega-3 fatty acids, are around in some fish, especially cold water fish. The total fat requirement for a person daily is up to 30% of the total calories from fat, or from 65 grams a day for a healthy person on a 2000 calorie diet. Most adults need at least 50% of their daily energy in the form of fat that provides essential fatty acids. When the intake of fat is only a problem when it contributes calories in a big amount, which causes the gain of weight. Also, the excess of saturated fats causes a raised blood cholesterol, which can affect the heart. A low-fat diet is wanted as long as calorie consumption is possible to maintain. Lose or gain weight is needed. A very low fat consumption could lead to a deficiency of essential fatty acids, but that is extremely rare. Over time, a diet low in total fat could create a feeling of long-lasting hunger and monotony with food
because fats provide satiety as well as food flavor and aroma.
Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for your body. Carbohydrates power every system in your organism, including your brain, your heart, muscles, and internal organs. There are two types of carbohydrates, starch and sugar. Starch is found in cereals, corn flour, potatoes, pasta, and flour. Sugar is found in fruit, vegetables, honey milk, and malt products. The quantity of carbohydrates needed daily depends on several factors like age, gender, height, weight, and the health status, like as whether diabetes is present. The RDA, or recommended daily allowance for carbohydrates, is set as 130 grams per day. That is the minimum amount of glucose needed by the brain. Carbohydrate intake is usually higher to protein's calorie needs. In a healthy diet, the acceptable range for carbohydrates is set as 45 to 65% of total calories. Carbohydrate from sugar added to processed foods should not exceed of 10% of total calories, and carbohydrate in the form of dairy fiber should measure at least 25 grams a day. Carbohydrates from whole grains, beans, legumes, vegetables, fruits, and milk contribute nutrients like vitamins and minerals. An excess of calories from carbohydrates are stored as fat, which contributes to obesity and its risk, including diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. Low carbohydrate diets are usually high in protein and fat, but when dietary carbohydrates are very low, fat is broken down to provide energy. That accumulation of ketones that is byproduct of fat breakdown in the bloodstream. Ketones produce headache, dry mouth, bad breath, and reduced appetite. A low carbohydrate diet is low in fiber, which can affect digestion and the
regulation of glucose and blood lipid.
Protein is what sustains your body. It is the principal building blocks that give structure for the tissues of all your body in order to sustain. Protein also transports the essential elements in your bloodstream. In other words, protein creates the body cells and the body tissues. They also are the main part of enzymes, hormones, and all the substances that fight against infections. They burn calories. When the protein intake is too high and in excess of requirements, it is used as calories and it is stored in your body as fat. On the other hand, when the intake is too low, body mass is broken down to meet protein needs. The food that contains more amount of protein is all types of food of animal origin. Some examples are meat, fish, poultry, eggs, turkey, and milk-based food. Beans and legumes have also proteins. Starches and vegetables have a small amount of protein, but they are important for the course of a day.